coconut fried shrimp. This right here is perfection. I'm letting you know right now. This right here is special. This right here will have your taste buds going crazy. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. And yet, this recipe is so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get right on into it, and let's get started. So to begin, I have myself a cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and to that we're gonna add in a cup of plain Panko breadcrumbs. You wanna go ahead and get those together, give it a mix. What we're doing is just getting our little breading station together, and this is the first step. Moving on, I have a container full of all-purpose flour, and to that we're gonna season this up with the ingredients listed on the screen. And of course, everything will be listed in the description box as well. Go ahead and give that a mix so we could go ahead and start breading up. So I have myself about a pound of large shrimp, peeled, deveined with the tail on. I'm dropping it into our seasoned flour, and then I'm gonna shake off the excess, dropping it into our egg here. Again, shaking off the excess, and we're gonna finish it off by dropping it into our coconut flakes slash Panko breadcrumbs mix that we have there to the left. You want to go ahead and get it in there and just pack it in. Okay, you see me with that hand motion going on right now. I'm packing it in. I want all that yumminess to stick to the shrimp right here. Once that's done, you're gonna pick it up, shake it off a little bit, and set it to the side. And you want to continue until you have all your shrimp breaded up, ready to go. We are gonna pan fry these bad boys. I have my peanut oil going. You could use vegetable oil, whatever that you like, but I prefer peanut oil. And we're gonna fry these to perfection. All right. Alright, so I have my oil heated to about 350 degrees. We are using peanut oil, by the way, and I'm just gonna fry these for about, I would say, 3 minutes or so per side. Depends on the size of your shrimp. And you do want to be careful not to burn these. Keep in mind we're using sweetened coconut flakes, so they tend to burn very easily. Even before the time is up, take a peek on the other side. If you see it start to brown up, go ahead and give it a flip. If it's browning up too quickly, your heat is too high, turn it down a little bit. So we're just giving it that first flip right here, and it's looking oh so beautiful. You want to go ahead and let the opposite side cook for the same amount of time. Drain these on a paper towel once they're fully cooked, and then you're gonna throw in your next batch until you have everything cooked, ready to go. So this is the end result right here, and wow, you cannot tell me this does not look amazing. Come on now. I'm just dipping it right into that cocktail sauce like so, and man, when I tell you this is so amazing, coconut shrimp is just one of my favorites. Can't go wrong with it any day of the week. You know what I'm saying? Just yumminess all over. to tell you the truth. And that's pretty much it. A very simple, easy, delicious recipe. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.